Hello everyone. Let us discuss on oxidizing agent, that is PCC. So it's a important oxidizing agent. For exam point of view, primary alcohol and secondary alcohols are readily oxidized in dichloromethane utilizing 1 to 1.5 equivalent of PCC. Primary alcohol oxidized into aldehyde in presence of PCC. This hydrogen is present where OH functional group is attached on same carbon. So the oxidation occurs. So this is the secondary alcohol. So the secondary alcohol in presence of PCC converted into ketone. So in case of secondary alcohol, 1H is present. So here oxidation takes place. So what is the product of this tertiary alcohol reaction with PCC? The answer is no reaction. So there is no hydrogen is present in this carbon. So it is a tertiary alcohol. So PCC cannot oxidize into aldehyde or ketone. So in case of tertiary alcohol, there is no reaction with PCC. So this is also a tertiary alcohol center, but this is allylic alcohol. So this is the product. Let us discuss its mechanism. The lone pair of oxygen attacks on this chromium oxide. Then 3,3 sigma-atomic rearrangement occurs. Due to presence of this allylic hydrogen, so the oxidation occurs. So this is the product. We can use a simple trick for question solving in examination. So move this double bond where OH group is present and the OH group attached here. Then on further oxidation, it converts into double bond O ketone. So you can apply this trick. So this is a tertiary alkyl center. So move this double bond towards it and this oxygen will attach here. So on further oxidation, it converts into double bond O. So this is the product. So we have started PCC can converted primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or allylic alcohol into aldehyde or ketones. So the PCC can oxidize primary alcohol, secondary alcohol into aldehyde or ketones. So this is a new concept where PCC can oxidize benzylic methylene center into ketone. So this is the benzylic methylene. So this is converted into ketone. This question is from Nan-Juipel book. This is an important question for your upcoming exam, CSR NET GATE. This is a very important questions. So this benzylic methylene is converted into ketone. This is the ketone. So the key concept is PCC or chromium oxide pyridine complexes oxidize allylic and benzylic methylene groups of electron rich pi system to carbonyl groups. So this is the important key concept. You can note it for your upcoming exams, CSR NET GATE.